Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. If you are watching my channel for the first time, I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload new video recipes, you will get all my video notifications. So please do not forget to press the bell. So today I am presenting one very easy and instant breakfast recipe, very popular in South India, the crispy Rawa Dosa. The best part of this instant Rawa Dosa is that no grinding or fermentation is required. Whenever you want to have dosa, you can just have it instantly. So first check out the ingredient list and now let's start. So first, in a mixing bowl I have taken half cup Rawa or Sooji, then half cup rice flour or chawal ka aata, 1/4 cup of maida, 2 tablespoons of fresh curd or dahi, 1 small bowl of finely chopped onions, 2 finely chopped green chilies, salt as per taste, 1½ teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger paste, few curry leaves, 1 small bowl of chopped coriander leaves, and then I'm adding 5 cups of water. Now mix it properly. The batter should be very thin, very runny. You can see it's easy to flow. You can add some more water if you need. And now cover the Sooji and give it a rest for 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, just check the consistency. The Sooji can absorb the water very well, so you can add further some more water. Now the consistency is perfect. Now take a flat base non-stick frying pan and brush some oil in it. And now you need to pour the runny batter. You can see the batter consistency, it's very thin. So first add to the edges of the tawa and then come to the center. Now I will advise you to take a non-stick frying pan with a border. This will help the dosa to be in a perfect shape. Now put the gas in medium to high flame and now apply some oil like this to the edges. Now after 1 or 2 minutes you will see the dosa is getting crispy brown. Now very carefully fold it like this and then serve. Likewise I will show another one. Same way, first grease the frying pan and now pour the thin batter first to the edges and then come to the middle portion. Now allow it to cook for 1 or 2 minutes in medium to high flame. Put some oil on the edges. And once you see the crispy brown color, gently fold it. And the crispy Rawa Dosa is ready. And now quickly we'll show you to prepare the coconut chutney. So for this coconut chutney I have taken handful of peanuts and 4 to 5 green chilies. Just slightly dry roast them for a few seconds and now in a mixing jar I have taken half of a coconut, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic and few coriander leaves. Now add the roasted peanuts and green chilies, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, salt according to taste, little water for grinding, and now make a smooth paste. Now we'll put one tadka on it So in a heated frying pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil, half teaspoon of black mustard seeds, 2 dry red chili, few curry leaves. Saute this for few seconds and then add the coconut paste. Mix it for few minutes and the coconut chutney is ready. And now serve the crispy Rawa Dosa with some coconut chutney and sambar. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you like this video, then please like it, share it, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.